Understanding the fundamental physical properties of water. Imagine a world without water. It's impossible, right? That's because water is central to all forms of life. Water's uniqueness starts with its structure. Each molecule consists of two hydrogen atoms bound to one oxygen atom. But it's not just about what water is, it's also about what water does. It can exist in three states: solid, liquid, and gas. Ever wonder why ice floats on water? It's because water expands when it freezes, making ice less dense than liquid water. Water's high heat capacity also stands out. It absorbs and releases heat slowly, enabling our planet to maintain its life-giving temperature. Finally, water's universal solvent ability. It dissolves more substances than any other liquid, making it essential for life's biochemical reactions.